No, this video is not about any strategy to score 60 plus marks or 80 plus marks in the last few days, even if you have not started a single thing. This video is neither for those who are thinking that I will give you a foolproof strategy to make sure that you are not forgetting anything, because it is high time that you need to understand that no strategy exists, no single strategy exists which can fit to all, because Gate AR31 would not be Gate AR31 if he has painted any other strategy. Because I had my semester examination in the month of December, I had so many other responsibilities that I need to maintain, I need to follow, I need to ensure. So, if I had maintained any other strategy, either I would ended up with a 5 CGPA in my college and not a 9.22 CGPA, or maybe a okayish rank like 1000 or even more than that and not AIR 31. So it is high time that you need to understand that there is no perfect strategy for everyone. Still, if you are searching for any kind of shortcut, and people search for those kind of shortcuts actually, and that is why those kind of videos get more views. No hate or nothing wrong with anything like those kind of videos. If that is working for you, you can obviously go through that. Now, enough of all these things. What can you expect from this video? There are some bare minimum that you need to ensure, that you need to maintain actually, and there are some bare minimum that you need to shed out of your schedule. So I will talk about those kind of fundamentals. Now maybe if you are thinking that okay, now he will be talking about maybe 10 to 20 fundamentals that I need to include in my journey, or if not that much, maybe 5 fundamentals that I need to ensure in my journey. No, there is only one fundamental. And now, what is that secret? To know that, you have to stay tuned. But before that, why you would listen to Git AI at 31? Because maybe you were thinking that, okay, he is a topper. But I know that I face so much trouble just to learn the concepts. I face so much trouble to memorize the concepts. Maybe he is the one who can do everything very easily. First of all, that is not true. But even if that was true, I can ensure you that these fundamentals need to be maintained by everyone, immaterial of your merit, immaterial of your preparation level. So, again, just a word of caution that if you are someone who has not covered even 40% of syllabus, then honestly, this video is not for you. In one line, you have to choose 2 to 3 subjects, out of which aptitude and maths should be 2, and you need to choose one more subject. If you are from mechanical, that can be manufacturing, and you need to watch those crash courses, okay, about which I have talked in these videos. There are full free sources used by Gate AR 31. You can go to that. You need to watch those crash course. You need to appear for the PYQs and test series. This is the steps. But if you have completed your 40 to 50% syllabus, even more than that, then this video is a must watch for you, so that you can make sure that your effort that you have put to complete those 80% syllabus or whatever that can be, that will not go in vain. You want to make that sure. Okay, so without any delay, let me directly jump into the fundamentals. And it should be fundamental, not fundamentals. And now I am going to this disclose that particular one secret, that is test series, test series, test series. Nothing more than that. Again, maybe now you are getting, frustrated because okay, we know that test series is important. Tell us something new. Okay, I know that you guys are very smart and you know that test series is very important. But I have some checklists for you. Are you maintaining all these things or not? So, firstly, I will share you some story. In the month of December, I was having my semester. I was having so much, responsibilities. Okay, like honestly, I need to maintain my own relationships. Okay, that is with my girlfriend, with my parents, and all those things. So, how did GATE AIR 31 managed all those things? I ensured only one thing, that I will appear for at least one test series. Ideally, that should be a full length test series of 3 hours every day for every day. Okay, if not a 3 hour test series, I will appear for a mixed test series or maybe a subject test series that will be at most of 90 minutes. But I have to appear for test series every day. There were days in which I did not study anything, but I appeared for a test series. I want you to make sure this thing for this last few days, for this last few months. Now, this will obviously ensure practice. Okay, but other than that, it can ensure the learning, the the revision part, and obviously, I have talked about the practice. So, what more do you need? Can you tell me? In your journey, what more do you need? Practice, learning, and memorizing or revising. These three things can be ensured by this one step, that is appearing for the test series. How, that I will tell in this video, and this is specific for this last months. You cannot afford to miss any test series for any day. I can ensure you that go for the party, go for enjoying, but you should appear for that 3 hour test series for every day. Just 3 hours, if not 3 hours, for 90 minutes, if not 90 minutes, for 45 minutes. Okay, now you need to ensure this one thing for every day, and I did that. Now, having said that, you need to appear, now you have the mentality, I need to just appear for the sake of appearing. Okay, no, that should not be the scenario. For that, I have another story for you. So, in GATE 2022, when I was appearing in the first attempt of the GATE, so after 2 hours out of those 3 hours examination, I was seeing that I am not able to solve the manufacturing questions, not a single one. The reason was very simple, because I did not study manufacturing at all in my third year. So then I was losing my enthusiasm, and my confidence was going down and down and down. Then I was like, okay, now what to do? I am not able to solve any question. So, I was just solving the questions, but because I already lost my enthusiasm, I lost my accuracy, I lost my speed. And after the examination ended, I found that I missed almost 15 questions, 10 to 15 questions, just because I lost my speed. And those 10 to 15 questions were very easy, that I could score 8 to 10 more marks easily. And you can think that what 8 to 10 marks mean in examinations like GATE. So why did this happen? This happened because I can now recall that when I was appearing for the test series, maybe it is a 3 hour test series, okay? So I was appearing with a mentality like this, that okay, I am solving this thing. I was not using the virtual calculator. Moreover, after 1 hour, when I was seeing that I am not able to solve the questions, then I was like, कि यार छोड़ देते हैं. This is not the actual GATE examination. The sky will not fall on my head if I now leave the examination and just went to eat or maybe went to watch some movie. So let me just leave this examination here, and I will solve the questions in some later time. This mentality I was having, that I am smart enough that if I can have this much practice, that I am leaving the mock tests in just in a 1 hour window, I am that much smart that I can ensure a full concentration, a full enthusiasm in the GATE examination. So this was the major mistake. So I want you firstly to make sure that you are sitting at least for 3 hours. Forget about solving questions. You can sit for 3 hours in your chair in front of your computer with full concentration. So in this in this era, with a lot of social media content and with a lot of instant gratification sources, we have lost our attention spans. And that is why it is very normal to get distracted from the examination very quickly. But we have to conquer that. And that is why I am telling you to appear for the test series more and more and more. You have to make sure these things. If you are not understanding the importance now, then I think the time is over. Okay, you need to understand the importance of the subtle things right now. Otherwise, your efforts will go in vain. Okay, so firstly, ensure that you can sit for 3 hours, even if you are not solving any question. Now, if you can ensure that, okay, I can sit for 3 hours, the next step is to see all the questions very carefully. Again, as our attention span has decreased a lot, so as a result, we can see that if we have a very long question in front of us, we don't have that much patience to study that question carefully. Okay, and that's why we miss some information, or we miss some very important parts. Maybe we are seeing minus instead of plus, we are seeing no instead of yes, we are seeing correct instead of incorrect. These kinds of mistakes happen because we don't have that much concentration. Now you can argue with me, how can I build that much concentration in this environment of so much stress, pressure and all those things? Now, if you are wasting your time, then obviously you need to ensure that don't waste your time. Okay, but I know that the fear of failure is very real. Now, how to conquer that? For that, I have made a dedicated video that you can ensure by these 3 steps conquering your fear of failure. And fear of failure is real. You need to conquer that. If you can conquer that, now you can focus your mind into that question. You will not have those thoughts that what if I don't get this rank or that rank? Will my life end? Obviously, the answer is no, your life will not end. But still, how your life will not end, to get that answer, go to these videos. So you have to increase your concentration. Now, there are some steps that you need to follow, or there are some things that you need to avoid to increase your concentration, or maybe to prevent your concentration to decrease. Okay, so those things that you need to avoid, I will talk in the second part of the video. Firstly, if you have already maintained this kind of steps, you are appearing for the test series for every day, I just congrats you. You have done your first part. Now let us move to the second part. So this is the practice. How can you learn from the test series? That is very important, and that I will show you this tab. So this is the GATE PYQ of 2023. Okay. So let me assume that you are solving this question paper as a mock test. Okay. So let me take any question that maybe in this question. Okay. Consider the incompressible laminar flow of a constant property Newtonian fluid in an isothermal circular tube. The flow is steady with fully developed temperature and velocity profiles. Nusselt number for this flow depends on. Now you have studied heat transfer very well, but you can't recall the formula of Nusselt number. You have the concept. You know that what does Nusselt number mean. But to answer this question, you need to memorize that thing. Okay, and not memorizing just blatantly, you need to also have the concepts. So having the concept simultaneously, you are memorizing it. So that is a very common thing, that maybe you are missing any formula, or maybe you are forgetting anything. So what you need to do is that, okay, this question I am forgetting, but the answer is A, neither Reynolds number nor Prandtl number. And why? The reason you have to write in your copy. So you should make a dedicated mistake copy. And here you will write that, you will give a bullet point, and you will write that Nusselt number is equal to 3.66 for constant heat flux. Okay, maybe for constant wall temperature. Okay, and it is equal to 4.36 for constant heat flux. Okay, this can be the other way also, that is, maybe this is 4.36 and this is 3.6, but that is not the headache for now. And you can also write the other correlations. Okay, 3.332 Prandtl number to the power 1/3 Re to the power half. Okay, Rx to the power half is for a flat plate flow, right? Flat plate flow for Prandtl number much less than 1. Okay, and there exists another correlation, some constant k into Prandtl number to the power half into Re to the Rex to the power half for plate flow Prandtl number greater than 1. There exists another correlation where we are having another constant k dash into Prandtl number to the power some fraction n Rex to the power some fraction n, and based on these values of m and n we can get the correlation for the turbulent flows. Okay, for the turbulent flows. See what you have done. You saw that, okay, I am just forgetting the formulae of Nusselt number in heat transfer. Maybe for a flow past a flat plate, flow in a tube in laminar and turbulent situation. So I write all this formula here. Now this is a part of your mistake copy, and like this you will jot down all your mistakes and all the concepts also. So let us take another maybe another problem where you are forgetting the concept. Okay, so here see, heat engine extracts heat from a thermal reservoir at a temperature 1000 Kelvin. Okay, and it rejects it to a thermal reservoir at a temperature 100 Kelvin while producing work. Which one of the combinations are allowed? Okay, so here Clausius statement will be used. Okay, so here Clausius statement will be used, but during appearing for the mock test you did not get that. Okay, now you have to write the concept. You know the Clausius statement, you know the basic concept of Clausius statement, but you did not get the concept. Now you have to write the concept here. So I will write the concept like this, maybe that to show validity of a heat engine, I need to use both first law and second law. First law means energy in is equal to energy out. Second law means Sgen is greater than 0, and that I can find from the Clausius inequality, that is the delta Q by T is less than equal to 0. Okay, so this is a brief writing of approach. This is what you have to do. If you have forget any fact, like in material science, maybe heat treatment, okay, maybe you have forgot that what annealing does, so then you will write here that annealing, okay, and that you will give a dash and you will write the 4 or 5 types of annealing, the process annealing, the full annealing, and all those things. And you will write in just one sentence that this will just maybe relieve the residual stresses. Okay, all these things you have to write in one line. And what you have to do is you need to revise this copy before going to bed every night. And don't worry, I am not telling you to study this copy like this. What I did was, again, there are 2 things mainly that I ensured for every day for the last 2 months. Firstly, appearing for the test series. Secondly, seeing this mistake copy from the start to end. Obviously, this copy will be upgraded day by day because you will add your mistakes day by day. And that is why this copy will be upgraded, and you have to make sure these 2 things, appearing for the test series, and obviously you have to jot down the mistakes in the mistake copy that you have done in the test series. Finally, you have to see your copy. Mark this word C, S-E-E, see. You have to see your copy. I am not telling you to study your copy very much, rigorously, because I know that you have studied well. You know that what is Nusselt number, right? You know that what is Nusselt number, but you have forgot this formula. You have forgotten this formula. So that is why you need to just see this. You need to just see this over and over and over, right? And that will ensure that without putting that much effort, like studying like this formula will get embedded into your mind. Obviously, if you don't have the concept, then firstly, I will say you to learn the concept. And by that thing, I will show you how you can learn from the test series. Okay. So this part was for, revising. So now I will show you that how you can learn. So now let me again show this thing. Okay. So now let me again just go to any other question. Okay. Which of the following plots shown is our valid Mohr circle representation for a plane stress state in a material? Okay, so maybe you are not getting anything in this question because you have not studied the Mohr circle. Okay, and you are also not getting the word plane stress. So you need to just see 3 to 4 videos at max. And if you watch those in 2x speed, then the time will again reduce, right? So you have to ensure that I will be studying the Mohr circle and I will be writing the basics of the Mohr circle here. Maybe the equation of the Mohr circle, and maybe you have to write the center. So this is the center of the Mohr circle, and also the radius. You know that the radius is this plus root over of this thing plus tau xy. So if I put a plus minus, then this will be sigma 1 to the principal stresses. So you don't know the Mohr circle. You have to write in as brief as possible manner the gist of the Mohr circles and also the gist of the plane stress. So this is actually the plane stress where you have only sigma x and sigma y. So by this you can learn the concepts which are mainly coming in the examination, because if you are appearing for any test series that is trusted. Okay, so you can see that I am here solving from the Made Easy, but honestly not Made Easy or any other organization have paid me. Okay, they have not paid me to promote their material. But honestly, from my experience, Exergic is the best test series that I have appeared for. Okay, so I have also appeared for the Made Easy thing. Okay, that is also good, but Exergic it is best. I am just suggesting these things based on my experience and not because they have paid me. Okay, so now Exergic is a very good test series. Like that, if you have found any other good test series, you can estimate that okay, these types of questions I can expect in the actual examination. That means if you are missing out from any concept that is there in those test series, that means now you know that okay, I don't need to study the whole chapter or the whole strength of materials, but I need to study them at least the Mohr circle. Obviously, strength of material is a very important thing, but you will feel this thing when you are studying material science. So material science and manufacturing is a vast sea. Okay, if you are like this, that you want to study all the things, that is very good. For GATE examination, that is not a good approach for material science and manufacturing. You need to identify the parts which are actually relevant and important for GATE examination. If you have found those part, you need to study those part. If you have not yet, and if you have already studied and still you are forgetting, then you need to jot those things in the mistake copy. By that, you can ensure that you are memorizing all the thing and you are learning all the thing. See, I have told you that how test series can ensure learning, revising, and practice. These 3 things. So please, I am just begging you that please go for the test series for every day. And if you have appeared for the test series, now you are free to do anything, honestly. Okay. But obviously, if you can dedicate more time, that will be good. But honestly, there are so many days that I have spent studying nothing other than appearing for a test series. So this is a must. Okay. And those part, please don't forget. I will make a summary after the end of this video, but please don't forget those part of the sitting for 3 hours and having the concentration, and also how to overcome the fear of failure. Now, this was the only one thing that you need to ensure when you are at this period of last few months. Okay. Now, what you need to avoid? Now you might be thinking, okay, I need to maybe avoid wasting my time on social media, all those things. Yes, that you need to avoid, that is fine. But honestly, the first and the most important thing that you need to avoid is the negative thoughts, the negative comments of your so-called friends and so-called aunt and uncles, and the negative YouTube videos. Even if they are, even if they are very good and they're showing you the very harsh truths, still, I will suggest you that stay away from those type of contexts. Okay, because honestly, in this 2 months, you cannot, change anything, right? So, even if you are living in your world of dreams, but that dream is full of positivity, that is very good. Okay. After this 2 months, when the examination gets over, then you are free to jump onto the harsh truths. That okay, this is the truth, world is very bad and all those things. Okay, that is true. But after the examination starts, you need to stay in that world of dreams that is full of positivity. At the same time, this is not that much easy to avoid all the negative things, right? For that, you need to consume some additional positive materials. Okay, so this thing is very important. Okay, that you need to consume some additional positive materials. Okay, to negate that effect of the negative materials. So first and the foremost thing is that find someone who is, really there to just, to just say you that okay, everything is fine, just calm down. Maybe you can share to that person that okay, I'm not just doing good, I am not getting that much marks in the test series. Also, although this the purpose of the test series is not just to get marks. Okay, so I have already told that what is the purpose of the test series, right? So just have that person to whom you can be yourself. You don't have to fake yourself, right? And moreover, I will just warn from those type of friends who will tell you, यार गेट का प्रिपरेशन तो मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. So why to be that much serious? एक दिन तो सब मर ही जाएंगे. बहुत ज्ञानी होते हैं ये लोग यार. So, okay, these types of people will be there because they know that they are not prepared that much. But if they are not having any friend with them to walk along with them on their path, then they will feel inferior and they will feel scared, and that is why they will pull you with them, and they will tell you that okay, avoid that much studying and let us go for enjoy. I am not saying that you have to study for 18 hours. Okay, enjoy your life, but enjoy with that person who is actually genuine, who will tell you that okay, we have enjoyed for 2 hours, now it's time to study. Okay, I will go to my home, you have to go to your home, and let us study. Find these type of friends, okay, who are actually that much genuine, who will not tell you to smoke cigarettes just because it looks fine. Okay, so all these things are correlated, and you need to ensure this thing first to avoid. And second things are very obvious, that you need to avoid wasting time in social media, I will suggest you to just honest not to delete the apps. If you just delete the Facebook app, okay, with the same pace or even with a greater pace, you will just reinstall it without even knowing it. So, what can be the option or what can be the solution? The solution is install a habit tracker app. Okay, and in that habit tracker app, you have to add one habit that you are not seeing social media more than maybe 2 hours or more than maybe 1 hour. If you can do that, arrange a gift for you, maybe a good movie with your friend or your partner, arrange a good movie. Okay, so arrange a good gift because you have achieved not more than 1 hour of social media. This thing is very important. And when you have tracked that habit for days and you are seeing that you have not watched social media for more than 1 hour for consecutively for 7 days, and when you are seeing that in front of you, then that will give you a surge of dopamine. That okay, I can do this. I have done this for 7 days. That means I can do this for 1 month. That means I can do this for 2 months. Okay, and obviously that reward part is very important. So likewise, you have to. Honestly, that first part was the most important thing, that you need to negate all these things, all these, bad things, bad comments, negative comments, comments that can just drag you down, pull you down. Secondly, you have to ensure that you are not wasting your time. Okay, only these two things, but these two things are from the mental point of view. But if I talk about the academic point of view, please don't jump into studying anything from scratch. If you are thinking that, okay, I will now study this subject from scratch, I know this subject will come in the gate. No, this is not the time. Please focus on those subjects which you have studied well. And if you are already studied everything but you are just missing on to one chapter or maybe two chapters, then you can go to study that thing from scratch. If you can ensure all these things appearing for the test series every day, then if you have time, you can study that. Otherwise, I will just actively forbid you to study anything from scratch. Don't study anything from scratch right now. That can hamper your mental state. Okay. And lastly, put the hand on your heart and just take a deep breath. Everything will be good. I can assure you everything will be good. Okay. So God has a better plan for you. Finally, if you are someone who is finding it hard to study thermodynamics in a very good way, then there is a video in which I have ensured that if you are someone who does not love to study thermodynamics, for you, I have a strategy. That is not a strategy. That is something that you need to incorporate into your schedule to make yourself fall in love with thermodynamics for GATE only. No, you don't have to be a scientist, right? And I have also made videos on the interviews of IISc Bangalore, and I was selected in IISc Bangalore as well as in DRDO as a scientist. So those interview experiences are there from which you can learn a lot of things other than obviously there will be the interview questions, but other than that also you will have so many things. Finally, if you are thinking that this guy is doing something for us and he's trying to do something for us, then please hit that subscribe button. That will give me motivation. Okay, and obviously that will give me money, and I also want to earn money. But if you are thinking that these things are not that much effective for us, you can always write that in the comment box that okay, this don't make these things, because I don't want to make money at the cost of your well-being. Okay, that is the first priority. If you are happy and because of that I am making money, that is the thing that I want. So I will make you all those videos that I have mentioned. Until that, goodbye, take care, and thank you.